Hey friends, Sarah here with Boho Stitchery. Today's Tuesday. You know what that means. Tutorial Tuesday.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a fun stitch in store for you. I am going to teach you guys one of my absolute favorite crochet stitches, especially for something like scarves. Since I am doing the scarf challenge for the homeless in my community this winter, I thought this would be an excellent stitch. It's very squishy, very dense, very, very warm stitch. So go ahead and grab your yarn and a crochet hook. I am just using a ball of this cream colored scrap yarn I have. I don't even know the brand honestly anymore. I've had it so long. I went through and wound up all my scraps, and that was just one I grabbed out of the basket. And then I'm also using a size J crochet hook. So let's go ahead and get your materials and come back and we'll get started. So to do the lemon peel stitch, which like I said is probably one of my absolute favorite stitches of all time, you're going to start with a slip knot. Do that however you like to make a slip knot. And you're going to want to chain multiples of 2. So however many you chain, just do it in groups of 2, 2, 2, 2. So any even number will work. I think I'm going to do, let's just do 12. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So once you have your even number, just chain one extra. So technically you could say you just need an odd number of stitches, however you want to put it. So I did 13 stitches. That was my multiple of 2 plus 1. Then we are going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Now remember, this loop on your hook never counts as a stitch or a chain. It's always these fully formed chains down here. So we're going to do 1, 2. Now you can single crochet in this top loop like that. I prefer to do the bumps on the back. So if you flip your chain over so you're looking at the back of it, you see this bar that runs right here? That's what I'm going to poke my crochet hook underneath. Then I'm going to single crochet. If you don't know how to single crochet or double crochet, you can go back and review those stitches on my YouTube channel. I do have slower tutorials on how to do those, but those are the 2 stitches you'll need for the lemon peel stitch. So I single crocheted in the second chain. In our next stitch, or the back bump if you're working in the back like me, you're going to do a double crochet. So into that loop. So you yarn over, insert your hook under that bar, drop a loop. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to work them off 2 at a time. So pull through 2, pull through 2. That's a double crochet. Next, you're going to single crochet in the next stitch. And you guys have probably figured out this pattern already. You're going to double crochet in the next. So double crochet. Then you're going to single crochet in the next stitch. Double crochet in the next. So you're going to alternate single crochet and double crochet all the way to the end, and you should end on a single crochet. So go ahead and continue the rest of your chain, alternating single in the next, double in the next, single in the next, double in the next, and I'll meet you guys when I get back to my last stitch. Okay guys, so I am back. So I stand corrected. I believe I told you before that you should be end on a single crochet. That is incorrect. You should end on a double crochet. So ignore what I said before about what your last stitch should be a single. It should be a double. So you're going to double crochet in that last stitch. Then you're going to chain 1. You're always going to chain 1 at the end of a row. Turn your work around. Then if you take a look at the top of your chains here, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to start with a single crochet. So you'll see this stitch right here, it kind of likes to hide under your chain 1, but it's the exact same stitch. You want to single crochet. Then you're going to double crochet in the next. So if you kind of pull it apart, you see you have this great big gap. That's what you're going to work into. That's a double. Next one's a single, so you find your chain, and sometimes it helps if you turn it towards you so you can see the top of it. Single crochet. Next one is a double crochet. Single crochet, double crochet. So basically you are single crocheting into your double crochets, I believe, and you're double crocheting in your single crochets from the row below. But if you just remember to start with the single crochet every time and alternate double and single, you guys will get this stitch in no time. And single, double, single, and just make sure that you guys are careful not to skip your last stitch, because it does kind of want to curl or slant, so it looks like you've completed your row, but you don't want to miss this last stitch. And if it helps, you can put a stitch marker in there when you finish the previous row so you don't miss it when you're coming back. Okay, and then you'll chain one and turn. So again, you're just going to continue single, double, single, double, single, double, all the way to the end, and you should end on a double crochet, not a single crochet. You start on a single, end on a double if you've done your multiples right. So I'm going to pause here, and I'll go ahead and do a couple more rows so you can see what the finished product is, but you guys continue on your own swatches. Okay guys, I am back. I just paused the camera while I did a few more rows, and it looks like I've got some blue mixed in with my cream color. In any case, this is what the lemon peel stitch will look like once you work a few rows. I'm not really sure why they call it a lemon peel. I guess maybe it's supposed to look like the skin of a lemon peel. I don't know. I don't think it does, but I think it's a really pretty stitch nonetheless. It's very warm, very dense. I used probably a few sizes bigger than what was recommended for my yarn, but so it is a little bit lacier and holier. But if you use the hook size that's recommended with your ball of yarn, then it'll be a bit more dense. Anyway, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the post notification bells if you're watching this on YouTube. That way you don't miss out on any of my postings. I do post knitting tutorials every Monday for Make and Knit Monday, and Tuesday I post crochet tutorials generally for Tutorial Tuesday. We will see you guys next week. Thanks for joining. Bye.